GUI get only its search engine, result sorter and filter utilities demonstration. This demonstration does not include any technical detail. It only gives an idea what is GUI and what does it do. In a normal search engine system, the user is asked to write a search string that is a query. After that, the search engine finds and displays the results of the sites that have related content to the given query. In this approach, there are several problems that users can encounter. One of the most important problems is having too many results. In most popular search engines, a simple query can return thousands or millions of results. And we currently know no one is going to display all of these obtained results. Mostly, users concern only the first 20 items. And at most, users concern only the first 200 items. The problem is, the results may be related to user's query, but there is not any guarantee that all of the results have the information that the user is searching for. So you cannot know which site in the results is exactly containing the information that you wish. One of the other problems is displaying too many results require very advanced and expensive hardware. Also, displaying thousands of items takes long time. Even if the best search engine companies have very expensive hardware and displaying results take very short time, the hardware can be used to perform another operation, which will make the users to find exactly what they want. Most of the search engines are based on keywords. That is, a crawler collects all of the keywords in a web page and stores them in a database. Later, when a user searches for same or similar keywords, the search engine displays the web page. But as it is known, in most of porn sites, music sites, various sites, hacking sites, personal sites, shopping sites or similar sites put too many and unrelated content or very popular keywords in their website. This will make the search engine to display these pages in search, even if they are not related with the query. If a user types a very common word or a very popular word, after a couple of related sites, these type of unrelated sites will be listed. Finding a suitable query. A user can type a query and may not find the information. After that, the user can type another query and that query can return the appropriate sites, but it is not certain that the user writes the correct query at first time. What we've been encountering is having only one query input. Most of the search engine users do not use and, or keywords. This causes the search engine to find more results. Also, there can be more than one word which have same meaning, which is called synonymy. That will lead users to use more than one query in a search. Users can type more than one query. The results of the queries will be combined and same results will be removed. After a search is completed and results are listed, users can view the sites and while exiting the site, they may click a button of 2, either satisfied or not satisfied. This will determine whether the site is not related with one of the given queries. Users will be able to determine the category of the sites, properties of the sites, rates of the sites. After these information are collected by the system in a next search, results will be sorted according to these users' satisfaction statistics. So, everyone will be able to determine whether a site contains information that the user is searching for or not. With this, no unrelated page will be listed. Besides, only the most appropriate sites will be displayed according to the user's satisfaction. After a user has clicked a result, a new window will be opened. The page will have a header which contains buttons and drop-down lists. The area titled Page Content is a frame of the site, which is the clicked result. After user sees the page, the user can click Not Satisfied button to mark this site as unrelated to these typed queries. However, the user can click Satisfied button to mark this site as related to these typed queries. Can also assign the category of the website, so any user can limit his search to a category. That is, the user can only search in a category or several categories. Can assign the keywords of the selected site. This will make the search engine to reduce the keywords that the site contains, and this will help the search engine to not display unrelated items. This will also lead webmasters to use appropriate keywords in their site. Otherwise, their site's mark will be reduced. Rate the site by 1 to 10. So in next search, users can understand how much correct information that the site contains. Can select properties of the website. That is, the user can say that the site has forum, has blog, has membership, has radio, has search, or similar properties. After that, a user can only seek for the results that have the properties that he wants. That GUI performs is sorting and filtering. It filters results by categories and properties, and maybe rates as well if the user wishes. So, fewer results will be obtained instead of all. GUI sorts the results by site point, which is a number specifies how many times that the site has been marked as related. After that, site popularity, which is a number specifies how many times the search engine has returned it. That is the currently being used by the search engines now. The site rate, which is the sum of the rates given by the users. The most important one is query site point, which is the sum of the points of how much this site is related to this query. That is, how many times that the users found the information with the query in the site. And finally, site keywords, which is the sum of the points of how the keywords of the sites are appropriate for the site. If the user could not find the information in first query and types another query, these two queries will be stored in database, and later if another user types the same query, the one that the user could not find the results, the second one will be automatically shown. This will make the user to find a suitable query without testing many variations. After all of them, the users will have the most appropriate information on the top. Besides, the results will not contain unrelated items.